Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In my today's video, I will show you how you can fix the camera problem in your device OPPO F21 Pro. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the camera, like your camera app is not working or any other such issue, you can fix it by following the few steps and tricks I will show you in this video. So before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps watched in the video and you will learn how you can fix the camera problem in your device. Let's watch it.